Hi everyone, my name is Hoda Sood. On behalf of DARPA Connect, I'd like to welcome you to the MTO Open House and take a few minutes to tell you about the resources available to you to help you on your DARPA journey. Everything you hear about in this video is available online by creating your account on darpaconnect.us. And if you have any questions on navigating the agency, please reach out to our team at darpaconnect@darpa.mil. So let's dive in. DARPA Connect's goal is to break down the barriers of entry for new and non-traditional performers to DARPA. Whether this MTO Open House is your first engagement with DARPA and you're at that 101 level, or you've done some work with DARPA before but would like to fine-tune your approach and have questions, we encourage you to explore the ample resources DARPA Connect has created. The resources broadly include the 4 categories you see on the screen here. Regional and virtual events that we host throughout the year. You can find upcoming sessions on our website, darpaconnect.us. In addition to a full day of learning about succeeding with DARPA, these sessions make for wonderful networking opportunities with DARPA PMs and staff, and also with each other for teaming. Our in-person events provide ample opportunities to meet with the DARPA team and with fellow attendees from across industry and academia. DARPA Connect also offers training and development resources through a fully on-demand curriculum that you can go through at your own pace. These learning modules have been designed to empower you in navigating DARPA and to meet you wherever you are in your DARPA journey. Lastly, but certainly not least, a very popular resource we offer, the customized support through your DARPA Connect account. These give you personalized one-on-one time with DARPA Connect to get answers to all your DARPA questions. The DARPA Connect pop-up events are full-day events that cover the breadth of your DARPA journey. The photos you see here are from the pop-up event in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, where attendees heard from DARPA Director Dr. Stephanie Tompkins, Mississippi Senator Roger Wicker, and several DARPA program managers and staff. Coming up later this year, DARPA Connect will be hosting an in-person pop-up events on September 18th in Omaha, Nebraska, and on November 14th in Albany, New York. Register for in-person and virtual attendance on darpaconnect.us. These events are an incredible experience in taking you through each phase of the DARPA journey, from that 101 level to how to effectively navigate DARPA, how to shred a BAA, understanding the various resources that DARPA makes available to you, how to fine-tune a proposal, ending the day by really tying all of this together with actionable strategies for success. If you're able to attend or have team members who are, we encourage you to take full advantage of them, which again, you can find upcoming dates and registration information for on the DARPA Connect website. Next up, I'd like you to meet the DARPA Connect platform and the Connect Corner. This is the DARPA Connect homepage where you'll sign up for your account. Once you create your account, you'll be part of the community and can sign up for events, coaching sessions, and explore the on-demand curriculum. DARPAConnect.us is also where you'll find the Connect Corner. The Connect Corner enables more frequent, real-time communication between you and us. Here you can attend webinars hosted by DARPA staff and program managers, as well as find recordings of previous events, Ask Me Anything sessions to get answers to all your burning DARPA-related questions, and access to one-on-one time with us. There are 2 ways to stay apprised of all of these opportunities and events, and we recommend that you do both so you don't miss a crucial update. Firstly, by creating a DARPA Connect account so you can stay apprised on when events are coming up, and secondly, through the DARPA Connect LinkedIn group, available at this QR code or by searching DARPA Connect on LinkedIn. If you have any trouble signing up for a DARPA Connect account or finding us on LinkedIn, please reach out to our team at darpaconnect@darpa.mil. Let's move on to the on-demand curriculum. The modules you see here on the screen are just some of the lessons currently available on DARPA Connect. These learning modules can be taken in any order, which means you're welcome to start with DARPA 101 or dive right into proposal tips. At today's MTO Open House, if you're hearing about an upcoming Proposers Day, you could even start with a module on how to prepare for a Proposers Day. We found that these lessons are also a rich resource for those of you who've had some prior experience with the agency. Some proposer teams have opted to add a few of these curriculum pieces to their team's onboarding processes to ensure everyone on the team is well-versed on the basic fundamentals of succeeding with DARPA. And finally, one of the most popular resources available on DARPA Connect, customized support for your DARPA journey. There are 2 formats you can avail this in: shorter office hour sessions, which are 10-minute check-ins for quick questions. These are great for when you need a sanity check, a quick answer to make sure you're on the right track as you think about navigating DARPA in the best way. Your second option is a more focused, in-depth one-on-one session with our team. These are 30-minute sessions which allow for a deeper dive into questions like those you see on the screen here. Engaging with program managers, fine-tuning your Heilmeier, effectively planning your work with DARPA. Customized support with our team is available several days of the month, but as you can imagine, these slots fill up very, very quickly. So we encourage you to sign up for a DARPA Connect account. This way, you can stay apprised of when slots are announced and you can reserve your spots quickly. Lastly, please note that the customized sessions are not for questions related to a specific BAA. So if you are proposing to an MTO BAA, please reach out to the MTO team with any questions you may have. That concludes this briefing on DARPA Connect. Thank you again for joining us today at the MTO Open House, and we invite you to learn more about DARPA Connect at darpaconnect.us or by emailing us at darpaconnect@darpa.mil. Thank you.